The Lenovo Legion T5 Gen 8 gaming tower is a powerhouse built for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking elite desktop performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this desktop PC in the description below at the latest price. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, this tower delivers 8 cores and 16 threads with boost speeds of up to 5.3 GHz. That translates into seamless gameplay, rapid multitasking, and smooth performance even under the most demanding workloads. Whether you're editing 4K video, designing in 3D, or just streaming your favorite titles, the Legion T5 doesn't break a sweat. What truly sets this system apart is its GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with 12GB of GDDR6X memory. This is a graphics card designed for ray-traced gaming, AI-accelerated content creation, and ultra-high-resolution displays. Gamers can enjoy top-tier frame rates with ray tracing enabled, while content professionals will love the real-time rendering capabilities that dramatically cut down export times. Combine that with the 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 4TB SSD, and you've got a machine that handles even the heaviest multitasking and file loads without compromise. From massive game libraries to professional-grade software, everything runs with fluid speed and precision. The Legion T5 Gen 8 is also designed with thoughtful aesthetics and functional hardware. The ARGB thermal architecture includes triple fan cooling, a 150W CPU cooler, and a mesh front panel for optimized airflow. The transparent tool-free glass side panel not only shows off internal RGB lighting but also allows easy upgrades in the future. Connectivity is generous, with a range of USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and Ethernet. With Windows 11 Pro, Lifetime Office Pro, Nahimic 3D audio, and a bundled keyboard and mouse, this PC is ready for both work and play straight out of the box. From hardcore gamers to digital artists, the Lenovo Legion T5 Gen 8 stands as a desktop that delivers elite performance across the board. Its balanced design ensures quiet operation even during intense gaming sessions. This desktop offers future-proof technology that will stay relevant for years. Overall, it is a remarkable choice for anyone demanding high performance and reliability.